Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Easy. In this video, we will be starting with triangles. So now see the definition of triangle. A polygon with 3 edges, 3 vertices is called a triangle. Now ये polygon word, what does this word polygon suggest? ये word polygon से क्या मतलब है? इसका ये मतलब कि triangle exists in a 2D plane. Because we are using the word polygon, that means that triangle exists in a 2D plane. 3D plane में एक triangle का कोई existence नहीं है. In Euclidean geometry, any 3 points when non-collinear determine a unique triangle. Now ये non-collinear का क्या मतलब? फिर से non-collinear means 3 points can be called non-collinear when they do not lie on a straight line. See for example, this triangle PQR. This is a triangle because 3 edges and 3 vertices. और ये P, Q and R, these 3 points, ये 3 point non-collinear है. Why? Because these 3 points do not lie on a straight line. So ultimately PQR forms a unique triangle. Now हम triangles को बहुत सारे categories में classify कर सकते हैं. And the first category is sides. So let's come to classification of triangles on the basis of sides. Now अगर हम triangles को classify करें on the basis of sides, then we can classify triangles into 3 categories again. First is equilateral, then isosceles and then scalene. Now equilateral triangle, see the definition. Triangle having all sides equal is called equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is always equiangular. Equiangular means ये तीनों एंगल, ट्राइंगल का 3 एंगल है, ये तीनों एंगल आपस में इक्वल. Equiangular का मतलब 3 angles are equal with respect to each other. So therefore all of its angles are equal and equal to 60. Now how come each angle is equal to 60? That will come later. So each angle of an equilateral triangle is equals to 60 degree. Now how come we come to this conclusion? ये हम बाद में देखेंगे. From angles and property of triangles. So come to the second category, isosceles. Triangle having any 2 sides equal is called an isosceles triangle. Look at the figure, these 2 sides are equal for this triangle PQR. So PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now scalene. Triangle in which all 3 sides have different lengths is called scalene triangle. In this triangle ABC ये तीनों sides unique है, एक दूसरे से अलग है. AB is a different length, AB is of a different length from BC and from AC. Same for these 2 sides BC and AC. These 3 sides are unequal. So this is a scalene triangle. Now we are going to classify triangles on the basis of angles. See, classification of triangles on the basis of angles. The first category is acute. All the angles of the triangle are less than 90 degree, that is acute angles. Just as the name suggests, acute triangle means ये तीनों angle, these 3 angles of the triangle, they are all acute angles. Acute angle का क्या मतलब? Means these 3 angles are less than 90 degree. Obtuse. Obtuse means, just as the name suggests, obtuse angle means the angle lies between 90 degree and 180. इसका मतलब any one angle of the triangle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. That is obtuse angle. And for right angle, any one angle of the triangle is 90 degree. That is right angle. Now next यहाँ देखो angles and property of triangles. The angle-sum property of triangle states that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. मतलब ट्राइंगल जैसा ही हो, acute ही हो, obtuse ही हो, या फिर right हो, या equilateral, isosceles, scalene. अगर एक figure triangle है, if a polygon is a triangle, it means the sum of all of its angles has to be 180. Now note one thing, ये obtuse triangle में देखो, अगर एक angle obtuse है, इसका मतलब one angle lies between 90 and 180. अगर एक एंगल ऑब्ट्यूज है एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव टू फॉलो दिस एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी, इसका मतलब ये दोनों रेस्ट ऑफ द एंगल्स, द 2 रेस्ट ऑफ द एंगल्स हैज टू बी अक्यूट, इजंट इट? जस्ट सी, अगर एक एंगल ऑब्ट्यूज है तो ये सम को 180 बनाने के लिए the rest two angles has to be acute, otherwise the sum will be greater than 180. If we place two obtuse angles, then a triangle is not possible with two obtuse angles. एक obtuse angle triangle मतलब only one angle has to be obtuse. A triangle having two obtuse angles is impossible. In the same manner, a triangle having two right angles is also impossible, क्योंकि ये property follow नहीं होगा. ये angle sum property of triangles will not be followed if two angles become obtuse or two angles become right. क्योंकि अगर two angles right हो जाए तो 90, 90, 180 तो खत्म, और एक एंगल तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं, मतलब जीरो, and it is impossible. An angle of a triangle cannot be zero. So right angle triangle means only one angle of the triangle has to be a right angle. For obtuse, only one angle has to be obtuse angle. Now look, proof of angle sum property of triangles. So clearly PQR is a triangle, simple. PQR is just a triangle, and एक extra बात है कि MN is a separate line passing through P and parallel to QR. ये जो MN है ये एक separate construction है. We have separately drawn it. Apart from the given figure, we have drawn MN क्योंकि this is required for the proof. To prove this statement, to prove the angle sum property of triangles, ये MN draw करना ज़रूरी है. And in the last video, if you remember, I had already mentioned the format that we need to follow for writing a proof. And the format is, first we need to write given, then RTP का मतलब required to prove, then comes our construction, then our proof. यहाँ पर construction लिखना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि यहाँ पर we have used a construction. So first, given triangle PQR is a triangle with vertices PQR and sides PQ, QR and PR. Required to prove angle PQR plus angle QRP plus angle QPR equals to 180 degree. And our construction is MN is a straight line drawn through P and parallel to QR. We need this construction to prove this given statement. Now comes our proof. See, MN is parallel to QR. From construction, क्योंकि हमने draw ही किया, हमने खुद draw किया कि MN is parallel to QR. Now angle MPQ equals to angle PQR. Alternate interior angles. हमने एकदम first video में सीखा था कि what are alternate interior angles? Z formation. See, MPQ, this angle, मतलब this angle, MPQ is equals to PQR. Why? Because this is a Z. ये एक Z formation है clearly. ये MPQR, ये एक Z formation है. And these two angles are alternate. This lies on the left side, this lies on the right side, and these two angles lie inside this सीधा Z. इसका मतलब ये दोनों एंगल इंटीरियर है, ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर है, मतलब एंड दीज टू आर पैरेलल, परफेक्ट Z है. इसका मतलब ये दोनों एंगल आपस में इक्वल है, ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. एंड विद इन ब्रैकेट्स यू नीड टू राइट दिस ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स बिकॉज ये लिखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. So angle MPQ equals to angle PQR, alternate interior angles, and I have named this as equation 1. Similarly, in the similar manner, angle NPR, इसका मतलब this angle NPR is equals to angle PRQ, मतलब this angle. ये दोनों फिर से आपस में equal है. Why? Same property, alternate interior angles. See, this ulta Z formation, this was the seedha Z formation. MPQ equals to PQR. In the same manner, the ulta Z formation, this NPR equals to PRQ. ये दोनों angle, alternate interior angles. See, I have named this as equation 2. Now, MN is a straight line. MN तो एक straight line है, we already know. Therefore, angle MPQ plus angle QPR plus angle RPN equals to 180 degree. क्योंकि MPN तो straight angle है, straight angle का मतलब ये पूरा sum 180 है, ये पूरा 180 है, ये तीनों angle का sum 180 है क्योंकि MN is a straight line. Simply I have written that angle MPQ plus angle QPR plus angle RPN equals to 180 degree. Now putting the values of angle MPQ and angle NPR from equations 1 and 2, simply value putting. From equation 1 we get angle MPQ equals to angle PQR, simply I've put the value. And from equation 2 we get angle NPR equals to angle PRQ, simply हमने value place किया. And finally we get angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ equals to 180 degree. And this was our required to prove statement, hence proved. Hence हमने क्या proof किया? हमने proof किया कि the sum of the angles of this triangle PQR is 180. ये तीनों एंगल का सम ये 180 है. So finally we have proved that angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ equals to 180 degree. Now whatever we have learned till now, on the basis of that, let's try out a problem. Look at this problem. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to RS. PQ is parallel to RS. ये given है. And angle BPQ equals to 40 degree. BPQ भी given है 40 degree. And angle BPR equals to 155 degree. मतलब ये पूरा angle BPR ये पूरा 155 है. ये पूरा angle 155 है. And angle CRS equals to 70 degree. CRS ये भी 70 given है. Find all the angles of triangle APR. Now please try out this problem. बहुत ही simple है. Using whatever we have learned till now, try this out. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Try out. Please try it out. Very soon I am going to reveal the solution. I am going to reveal the solution very soon. Okay, so reveal करते हैं. Look at the solution. Now I have redrawn the given figure. मैंने फिर से draw किया. Given PQ is parallel to RS. Therefore angle QPR plus angle PRS equals to 180. Co-interior angles. हमने अगले वीडियो में सीखा था व्हाट आर को इंटीरियर एंगल्स. एंगल QPR मतलब ये एंगल, दिस एंगल, एंगल QPR प्लस एंगल PRS. दीज टू एंगल्स आर को इंटीरियर एंगल्स एंड आई हैव नेम्ड दिस एज इक्वेशन 1. एंड अगर PQ और RS पैरेलल है, इसका मतलब सम ऑफ को इंटीरियर एंगल्स इज 180 डिग्री. So in the same manner angle QPR plus angle PRS equals to 180. I have named this as equation 1. Now angle BPR equals to 155. ये given है, question में ही given है angle BPR 155 degree given. Therefore angle BPR equals to angle BPQ plus angle QPR. Simply हमने divide करके लिखा angle BPR is basically the sum of angle BPQ plus angle QPR. Now BPR we already know 155 degree. BPQ also we are given 40 degree. So आराम से we can find out the value of angle QPR and we get 155 degree minus 40 मतलब 115 degree, 115 degree. Now putting in equation 1, putting this value in equation 1, we get 115 degree plus angle PRS equals to 180 degree. So ultimately we get angle PRS equals to 65 degree. So we have got angle PRS equals to 65 degree. Now look at this. AB is a straight line. Therefore angle APR plus angle BPR equals to 180 degree. Again linear pair. And ये linear pair लिखना बहुत important है. Now angle APR, ये BPR का value already given 155. Simply value हमने place किया. So ultimately we get angle APR equals to 25 degree. Now AC is a straight line. Look at this. AC is a straight line. Therefore angle ARP, angle ARP, AC अगर straight line है, इसका मतलब ये तीनों एंगल का sum will be equal to 180 degree, क्योंकि ये पूरा एंगल तो straight एंगल है 180 sum. मतलब we can say angle ARP plus angle PRS plus angle SRC equals to 180 degree. नाउ ये PRS का वैल्यू हमने निकाल लिया 65 डिग्री, हमने सिंपली वैल्यू प्लेस किया, एंड SRC वी ऑलरेडी नो 70 डिग्री. सी CRS and SRC are the same. 70 degree it's already given in the given question. So हमने सिंपली वैल्यू प्लेस किया यहाँ पर. So finally we get angle ARP equals to 45 degree. Now see, now in triangle APR, what have we learnt just now? According to angle sum property of triangles, sum of all the angles of the triangle APR will be 180 degree. Therefore, angle APR plus angle PRA plus angle PAR equals to 180 degree. Now APR 25 degree, हमने निकाल लिया वैल्यू, APR का वैल्यू 25 सिंपली प्लेस किया हमने यहाँ पर. PRA 45 degree and PAR we have to find out. Okay, equals to 180 degree. PRA also हमने निकाल लिया 45 degree. So angle PAR is ultimately 110 degree. Therefore, the angles of triangle APR are 25 degree, 45 degree and 110 degree. So this is our required solution. Have a look. This is our required solution, and to do this we have to draw the given figure once again. जो भी figure हमने question में दिया है we have to redraw it in the answer sheet. क्योंकि this drawing is important. We need to redraw the figure once again. You can take a screenshot if you want. Now next comes our exterior angle theorem. So prove that if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So हमने फिगर ड्रॉ किया PQR, हमने QR को एक्सटेंड किया to S such that angle PRS is our exterior angle. So given is let QR of triangle PQR be produced to S, required to prove RTP, exterior angle PRS मतलब ये angle equals to interior angle PQR, this angle, plus interior angle QPR, this angle. So this is our required to prove statement. Now prove. In triangle PQR, according to angle sum property of triangles, we can say that angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ equals to 180. We are simply naming this equation as equation 1. And within brackets we need to write कि from angle sum property of triangles, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Again, angle PRQ plus angle PRS. See, angle PRQ and angle PRS. ये दोनों एंगल का सम विल बी 180 डिग्री. वाई? बिकॉज QS इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, लीनियर पेयर, एंड वी हैव टू राइट दिस इन ब्रैकेट्स, लीनियर पेयर. हमने ये इक्वेशन 2 नेम किया. वी हैव नेम दिस इज इक्वेशन 2. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 2 फ्रॉम 1 मतलब हमने 1 माइनस 2 किया. सो इन इक्वेशन 1 सी वी हैव रिटन एंगल PQR प्लस एंगल QPR प्लस एंगल PRQ पूरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ इक्वेशन 1 माइनस पूरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ इक्वेशन 2 एंगल PRQ प्लस एंगल PRS इक्वल्स टू 180 माइनस 180. ये RHS ऑफ इक्वेशन 1 एंड ये RHS ऑफ इक्वेशन 2. सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्ट किया हमने, एंड व्हाट डू वी गेट फाइनली? वी गेट एंगल PQR प्लस एंगल QPR इक्वल्स टू एंगल PRS, एंड दिस वाज आवर रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रूव स्टेटमेंट. सो हमने प्रूव कर लिया. सो व्हाट डू वी गेट हियर? दैट दिस एक्सटीरियर एंगल फॉर एनी ट्राइंगल, ये exterior angle will be the sum of the opposite interior angles, the other two interior angles of the triangle. मतलब ये तीनों interior angles है triangle का, and this is the exterior angle. Now इसका भी interior will be this angle, angle PRQ. Angle PRQ is the interior angle of this exterior angle, angle PRS. Now we are talking of the other two interior angles. मतलब ये दोनों बाकी interior angles, इसका sum will be basically the exterior angle. So we need to remember this conclusion, क्योंकि ये जो theorem, ये हमने जो कुछ भी conclude किया इस theorem से, this we need to apply in certain problems. We need to apply this conclusion in certain problems. So we need to remember this. In the next video, we will start with congruency in triangles, and we will discuss about all the variations of congruency. ये जो 5 वेरिएशंस है इसके बारे में हम डिस्कशन कर लेंगे. यहाँ पर RHS भी होगा. We'll discuss that in the next video. So please wait for my next video. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.